Welcome back to the Mixed channel where we do cocktails, drinks, mocktails and all that. Because there may be another 3 weeks of lockdown, but I have you covered. And today's cocktail, guys, is a nice and simple one. It is a poor man's black velvet. Why it's called a poor man's black velvet, you will see. Because it is Guinness and cider. It reminds me a little bit of a Snakebite, because it reminds me quite a bit of a Snakebite. And the proper black velvet should be Guinness and champagne. But for today's one, we are going for a poor man's black velvet, so it's half and half. So first we're pouring the cider. I've gone for apple cider. I'll try and do it half and half. Well, that's a terrible lead. Right, now to crack open the can of Guinness. Right, I just know I'm going to screw this up. Oh, that is bloody gorgeous. Press enough on you lovely bastard. There we go, guys. Simple as that. It's just Guinness laid on top of cider. A poor man's black velvet. It's easy as that. How does it taste? Because if you love Guinness, you'll like it. I do. Ah, beautiful. Absolutely. Ah. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as we are on 280 subs now. You can check out my social media in the description below, my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and also my email, which is mixed@gmail.com if you wish to hit me up for any inquiries. But that is all for now, as I will be doing more cocktails like this. Cheers.